myself Himanshi, and happy Navratri. I'm going to make today instant cutlet with paneer and aloo for Vrat. So for this we need grated aloo, grated paneer, some sesame seeds, raisins, some dry fruits, coriander and green chili paste with some sendha salt. Now we'll mix it and make it cutlets. So here are the cutlets. Ready. Spray some oil. And put this cutlets. Shallow fry this for some 5-10 minutes, and once it's done we'll rotate it. Just rotate it and see. This is done from one side. Let it be done and then rotate it for the other side. Still not done. And here it is, your veg cutlets, paneer cutlets, which are ready to serve with green chili, mint and coriander chutney, which you can eat in your breakfast also or in your Navratris. Thank you.